Today we have a gentle chair Pilates session for you with no twisting or bending. I'm April of Yes to Next, and this is my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Now the benefits of Pilates includes increasing bone density to help prevent fractures and also improving your posture, balance, flexibility, and mobility. And it's very focused on your core, so you're going to be strengthening these important muscles that are so essential for every motion that we do. Yeah. Now, you need a sturdy chair, preferably with no arms, and have a pillow handy for one of the exercises. And my mom and I are going to be doing this in our socks to spare you for seeing our twinkle toes, but you can do this in your bare feet if it's not too chilly. All right, Mom, what do you think of this?
Yeah, something new. Let's try it.
All right. Always good to try something new. All right, we'll take a pause here and get started. All right, let's just start by warming things up gently, everyone. Okay, we're just marching it out here. Okay, knees up and down. Good work. Get those muscles ready, get the joints all ready to move.
Right.
Okay, keep it going and breathe. Okay? Yeah. Okay, nice work. All right. Now, let's turn this into a gentle kick. So kick. Ooh, I felt my knees like wake up on that one. Do you feel your knees wake up? Nice and gentle.
My knees?
Yeah. We're just like kicking it forward.
My knees are asleep.
Uh-oh, wake up knees. All right, very good. Keep it going. Give me 4 more from here. 4, good. 3, 2, and 1. We want to wake up the body, wake up the muscles, wake up our brains, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, let's do some point and flex with the feet. So point and flex. This should feel really nice. Waking everything's up. Ooh, feel that click?
That.
Oh my.
I heard your crack.
Yeah.
Wow.
Circles. This foot tends to, I get cracks on this side.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, ever since I was a kid, and reverse it.
Doesn't hurt though, right?
It doesn't, no. But it does feel good when I move it, which is great, which is so important to warm up, get things warm up.
Yeah.
And okay, bring that one down. Let's do the other side, point and flex. Yeah. It's good to just wake these ankles up, wake the feet up.
Yeah.
Okay, give me some circles one way, good, nice. You should probably feel this even in your lower leg, your shin bone area.
Yeah, you don't think about the muscles in your feet.
No. It's so important to wake those muscles up, right? Yeah. A lot of distance between the brain and the feet, so it's good to get everybody going here.
Hey, if you're short like me, it's fine.
All right, shorter distance, right?
Yeah.
That's right, okay. Open arms, yes. Open those chest muscles and then close, good. Getting our arms and our back muscles, chest muscles all engaged. Pull those shoulder blades together and keep it going. Very nice. Okay, just give you a nice reach up and down. If you have any shoulder issues, just bring them up wherever you can. Okay, nice. And good job. Just want you to stretch it out. Okay, and relax. Okay, nice job on this warm up. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is to practice Pilates breathing. And this is different from belly breathing that we've talked about. And you can check out our video on belly breathing, diaphragmatic breathing to just know the difference. But with Pilates, it's a bit different because we're really engaging our core. So I want you to sit with your feet hip width apart, okay? Knees, ankles, feet all in alignment, everyone, okay? Relax the shoulders. Always just relax your shoulders. Sit tall, shoulders back and down, and pull the belly button into your spine, okay? I want you to sit tall. I want you to feel that. You should probably feel your abs engaged here, okay? And so then take your hands and then place them on the side of your ribs, your lower ribs, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna inhale through our nose and exhale through our mouth. So we're inhaling and then exhaling. Okay, the key here is to pull that belly button in, okay? Pull it in, inhale, and exhale. Now what you should feel is you should feel your ribs expand to the sides as opposed to expanding forward. All right, so practice that. I know that may be new for many of you, and we'll be practicing it throughout this exercise, but the important thing is to know that you're engaging your core when you're doing this kind of breathing and this kind of workout, all right? Okay? So that's our primer on Pilates breathing. Okay, so our first exercise is going to be arm pulses. So remember what we did, right? Pulling the belly button in, sitting tall, right? Okay? And bring those arms up and we're gonna inhale and exhale. Okay, inhale, and we're gonna pulse. Pulse our arms, so inhale and exhale. Pulse them up and down. And the motion's coming from your shoulder, everyone, okay? Not wrists or elbows, but from your shoulders. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Keep pulsing and breathing. Okay, very nice. Now, if you want a challenge, you can put your legs up. Uh-oh. And if you want more challenge, you can even lean back.
2 feet up? Oh, wow.
You can lean back, but you have to keep your back straight, okay? That's if you want a challenge, all right? You can even do it with one leg up if you want, okay? But we're just gonna do it here. Let's do it. Okay, breathe in and out. 4 more. This is 3. This is 2. And 1. And rest. Woo, rest, rest, rest. Okay, very nice, everyone. Relax, relax. Breathe naturally. And now let's do one Pilates breath. Okay, so belly button in. Inhale. Exhale through mouth. Nice work. Exercise number 2 is palms down. Okay, palms down, shoulders relaxed. Pull the belly button in. And we're just gonna pull our shoulder blades together. Hold and back. That's all it is, so breathe. Okay, so we're exhaling as we pull back. And inhale. Exhale. And inhale. That's 3. I'll call that 3. Exhale. And inhale. Sit tall, pull the belly button in. Exhale. And inhale. Good. Exhale. And inhale. And give me 4 more. Exhale. Inhale. Nice. And exhale. And inhale. 2 more. Exhale. And inhale. 1 more. And exhale. And inhale. And relax the arms. Place them on your thighs.
Hard to concentrating on your breathing.
Right. Yes. And relax. Let's try that Pilates breathing again. So sit tall, pull the belly button in. Inhale. And exhale to the mouth. Nice work. Okay. Next exercise is just gonna be arm crisscrosses. So same thing, pull the belly button in. Okay. Sit tall. And just crisscross the arms. Inhale. Practice your breathing. Crisscross the arms. Working the shoulders here and arms. Very nice. Keep going. Keep going. This is 3, 2, and 1, and relax. Nice work, everybody. How you doing?
Okay,
All right.
trying to keep up.
Oh, okay. Is it too fast? Okay, so take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Good job practicing this Pilates breathing. I know it's new. All right. So next one, real gentle. I just want you to give me a nice little arm up if you can. Just gentle stretch. And exhale. If you can't get your arm up, just bring it up where you can. Okay? Okay, just nice little stretch. And down, and other side. Just another opportunity to practice this breathing. Take another breath. And nice. Okay, I'm feeling my core here. Ooh, very nice. Okay, sitting tall, belly button in. I want you to give me some nice little kicks. Exhale. 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 Inhale, exhale. Good. Nice. Really straightening that leg, engaging the thighs. And I want you to sit tall, pull that belly button in. And when you're ready, add some arms. Yeah, palms in, just like we're walking, okay? Breathe. Really straighten that leg if you can. Really working the thigh. Okay, nice. 4 more on each side here. This is 4. Good. 3. Very nice. Breathe out. 2. And 1. Nice work, and relax. Okay, let's do another inhale, exhale here. Tall, belly button in. And exhale. Okay, nice work, everyone. Okay, so let's sit back in our chair this time. Okay, you can sit back in your chair. And I want you to just kick your right leg up. Okay, straighten it as much as you can. And we're just gonna do little circles with the leg. And the motion is coming from your hip, everyone, okay? It's not coming from your knee or your ankle, none of this, okay? It's coming from your hip as you're sitting here. So I want you to, again, sit tall, pull the belly button in, and breathe. Okay, good, nice. Okay, and now we're gonna reverse it the other way. You feel that hip engage, Mom? Very nice.
Just remember to breathe and exhale and inhale.
Right, and relax. Okay, very nice. Take a breath. Yeah, let's practice that. Inhale and exhale. Okay, nice. Okay, belly button in, sit tall, kick that leg, left leg out. Give me some nice gentle little circles, just from the hip area, everyone, okay? Good, sit tall, belly button in, good. Good, and reverse it. Good job, reverse. Sit tall, relax the shoulders. Nice. And relax. Ooh, I felt that in my hips. Nice work, everyone. Okay, good job. Breathe. Now, okay, we're gonna sit forward in our chair. Hips, knees, ankles, all in alignment. Okay, back is straight. We're pulling the belly button in, yeah? Okay, now, hands at our side. All we're gonna do is we're gonna hinge at the hips. Okay, not the back. Back stays straight, right? We're gonna hinge at the hips and up, okay? Just hinge at the hips and up. Okay, good. Just gentle, okay? It's a hinge at the hips, good. Hinge at the hips. No spinal bending. Okay, good, good. Breathe, give me 3 more. This is 3, good. This is 2.
Do you exhale when you bend down?
1, yes. Yes. Exhale when you bend down, inhale when you come up. Okay, try it again. Exhale, and inhale, and exhale, and inhale. Give me 2 more. Exhale. Good. And exhale. And good. And rest. Very nice, everyone. Okay. Give me 1 inhale and exhale. Okay. So we're going on to the use of our pillow, and I have a dog-themed pillow. Which one do you have?
Kitty.
Kitty pillow. Okay, so we're going to put that pillow between our knees here. Okay. All right. And this is what I would like you to do. I would like you to squeeze your knees together, but also squeeze your glutes together. Okay? That's the exhale. And inhale, relax. Okay? Squeeze, exhale. Inhale, relax. And squeeze. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze. Oh boy, I feel those glutes and thighs engage here. Exhale, squeeze. And inhale, relax. 4 more. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, relax. 3 more. Exhale and squeeze. Inhale, relax. 2 more. Exhale, squeeze. Squeeze everything. And relax. 1 more, make it good. Glutes, knees together. Here we go. Exhale. And inhale and relax and pillow down. Ooh. Nice work on the glutes and the thighs there. All right. So we're coming to a home stretch here. And what I want you to do next is to just lift your toes up off the ground or floor and spread your toes if you can. And down. That's it, okay? So toes up, spread them, and down and relax. Good. Toes up, spread, and down. So when you lift your toes, you can exhale. Exhale. And inhale down. Up and exhale. And down. Okay. 3 more. Toes up, spread. And down, good. And 2 more. Toes up and down. Good, and 1 more. Toes up, spread. Ooh. And down, and relax. Whoa, really engaging the feet there and creating those connections between your brain and your feet. It's awesome. Okay, so let's take one inhale here. Belly button in, sit tall. And exhale. Very, very nice. Okay, last move are just gonna be our heel raises, okay? We're gonna do the opposite, so we're gonna lift our heels up, exhale, and down, good. Exhale, and down, good. Exhale, lift, inhale, release, exhale, lift, inhale, release, good. Really engage that core, pull the belly button in, good, keep it going. Exhale, and inhale, and exhale, and inhale. 3 more, exhale, and inhale, and 1 more, exhale. Ooh, and inhale. I've heard that crack. Very nice, everyone. Okay, just give me those nice little circles with the feet again. After those feet and heel raises, it probably feels really good. All right, well, excellent work on this gentle chair Pilates section. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for taking the time to be with us. We look forward to seeing you in a future workout. And if you like this workout, please give it a like, share a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.